So if we think about what the current population is for people who are in the age group of 0 to 20, it's about 2 billion people. So we need to put two boxes there. So we have 2 billion who are approximately in the age range 0 to 20. If we go to the age group 20 to 40, then there's another 2 billion people there. And again, these are very, very approximate numbers, but it rounds up like this. And then when we go to 40 to 60, we actually have quite a bit more than 1 billion, but just to make things, again, convenient, I'll just put 1 billion there. And then we have another 1 billion in the 60 to 80, and then less than 1 billion in the 80 to 100, but when you add it together with the one here that was larger than 1 billion overall, this is our 7 billion population on the globe at the moment, where everybody is living, or people have the potential to live to 100 years old. Now, if the growth rate actually goes to 0, so there's no further increase in population in terms of the total numbers on the Earth, what I just want to show, if we think 40 years ahead, there will still be an increase in numbers of people on the Earth. So let me just explain how those two things come together. So if we think ahead 20 years, then what's going to happen in the next 20 years is that these people, who are currently 80 to 100, they will die. So those people we can say goodbye to. But in that time period, there will be another 2 billion people who will be born. So in that time period, in 20 years' time, we now go to this level of population. So it's no longer 7 billion, it's 8 billion. And if we think, so that's 20 years' time. And if we think ahead in another 20 years beyond that, the same thing happens again. So those people have kicked the bucket, for want of a better term, but 2 billion other people are born, and we build up like that. And so in 40 years' time, we will have 9 billion people. And we'll have